Hi, welcome to the LSAT Demon virtual tour. The LSAT Demon is an AI-powered LSAT study tool from Ben Olson and Nathan Fox, hosts of the Thinking LSAT Podcast. The Demon has only official LSAT licensed questions with killer explanations from Nathan and Ben built right in. Their explanations set the Demon apart and answer all your questions with video and written answers on demand. You can also do targeted review by searching for a specific question explanation in our Explanations tab. One of the most popular ways to study with the Demon is drilling. Drilling pulls questions from all available LSAT tests to let you study on the go. The Demon uses an AI algorithm to assess your weaknesses, giving you targeted questions at your ability level to help you learn faster. You can drill every section of the LSAT: logical reasoning, reading comprehension, and games. Explanations are built right into drilling, but if you still have questions, hit the Ask button and we'll get you a new explanation right away. Track your progress on the Demon's homepage where you'll see time, accuracy, and difficulty for each section. To see a record of your drilling history, go to our History tab. For a more in-depth analysis, go to our Reports tab. If you'd like to adjust drilling's default settings, head to our Settings tab. You can change what tests drilling will pull questions from and set filters to drill by question type. Next, let's check out the Time Sections and Time Tests feature that simulates official LSAT conditions. Take a 35, 53, or 70-minute time section or test and review with Ben and Nathan's explanations. We recommend alternating your study between time sections with blind review and drilling, with one bi-weekly or weekly time test. Our newest feature is our lessons from Ben and Nathan. This collection of lessons feature text, videos, and audio files that guide you through every part of your LSAT preparation. When you've finished your trial, head to our Billing tab to subscribe to our premium membership for access to all available tests, lessons, and content. Thanks for trying out the Demon, and best of luck with your LSAT prep.